The BigPicture Gantt module is your central workspace for planning, scheduling, and tracking projects and portfolios. The interface is built around 5 key areas: action menu at the top, customizable task tree structure based on Jira fields like parent or even links that present almost any Jira, or built-in fields as columns with aggregated data. Timeline with taskbars and dependencies that visualize and auto-schedule your tasks. Info bar that highlights the most important information related to your project. Here you'll find tabs for dependencies, overdue tasks, milestones, critical path, change history, bulk change, and reports. Resource panel that gives you a quick insight into workload distribution. You can easily notice over and under allocation of resources. Together, these elements give you a complete view of your project roadmap. Before you begin planning, make sure the Jira work you want to manage is included in the box scope. You can populate the box with one or more Jira spaces, a Jira board, or a JQL filtered subset of work. Now, let's take a closer look at the action menu. On the left, you'll find scenarios. Use what-if scenarios to experiment with different plans without affecting your live data. You can create as many scenarios as you need. Next is the column view menu, where you can switch between saved table layouts to display different sets of data. The Tasks menu brings together all task-related actions. From here, you can create Jira work items or big picture tasks, adjust the box scope, and perform many other task management operations. The View menu lets you control how your data is displayed, helping you focus on the information you need. Finally, the Indicators menu gives you quick access to planning indicators displayed on the timeline. Let's move to the timeline. Right above the Gantt timeline, you'll find additional customization buttons for easy, granular adjustments to the view. Each task is represented by a horizontal taskbar. You can drag tasks to reschedule them, change their duration, and create dependencies with a simple drag-and-drop action. From the task tree, you can quickly update task information using inline editing. For more detailed changes, click the task on the timeline to open the Task Details window. The fields are organized into collapsible sections, making it easy to find the information you need. For example, you can use Find the Perfect Match to identify the best assignees based on required skills and their remaining capacity. The Gantt module supports 2 ways you can work with dependencies. Various strong dependencies affect scheduling, including ASAP and non-ASAP types, while soft dependencies provide visual guidance without impacting the schedule. You can also quickly identify whether a task is scheduled manually or automatically. Multiple automatic scheduling modes are available, giving you the flexibility to choose the approach that best fits your planning needs. Enable planning indicators to display baselines, markers, time boxes, week numbers, parent task conflicts, progress, critical paths, and overdue tasks directly on the timeline. To compare your plan over time, BigPicture also supports baseline versioning, allowing you to save, review, and compare historical snapshots of your schedule. Moreover, the Gantt module also includes multi-team planning, making it easier to plan work across multiple teams. Allocate effort from different teams to a single task using story points or time estimates, without splitting the work into separate tasks. To sum up, the Gantt module offers much more than we've covered in this overview. Explore its full potential and find new ways to plan, collaborate, and keep your projects on track.